I think that this is like the third week in a row. It looks like hell on Monday mornings, like hell. And this is no exception. Let's see. So 28th, so 21st. Yeah, look at that drop we had Sunday last week. So this is our Sunday drop. So with the 21st, 20th, 21st, so we're looking at the 13th, 14th Sunday drop. He's right, 3 Sundays in a row, and then 13th should be 6th. So pretty ugly, 3 Sundays in a row, and here we are. Now, at the moment, we could say, so the bear flag's broken down, but we haven't made a new low. So potentially, we have potential for a double bottom and a rally from here, or we could drop to the next, fib support level, which is 1.618 of this rally here, and the next leg down, which I think is somewhere down around the 886 to 33.58. So if we don't hold the previous lows, maybe 33.58. However, we should remember that in our big picture, this is the 28th of January, 28th, 29th of January was the anniversary. At this point, and I'm going to clean up my chart now, at this point, and let's go to Bitstamp because I've got it marked. Today, the Bitcoin bear market that we started in December of 2017 is now equal in length to the day to the Bitcoin bear market of 2014, 2015. And markets do tend to have similar corrections in time and price. And if we look at this in terms of time as price as well, the Bitcoin correction of 2014, 2015, I think was 84 or 85% correction. And that's just about what we're looking at here in Bitcoin as well. So I'm looking for a kind of ending move here. So far we've got nothing to say bottom. Like and I know this is not good for people who are already long, but one more new low, a false breakdown, a blow off bottom. We've got a really good support and resistance level between 2,900 and 3,000, round number 3,000. So if it does all get a bit ugly in the next 24 or 48 hours, that's where I'm looking for support in Bitcoin. I have no idea what might come along and drive it, but if we did see a sharp reversal and new lows, I'm a buyer at 3,000 for sure. I think it's a really good deal. So here's the low. If we draw it as horizontal levels and ignore the spikes here in Bitcoin dollar on the hourly, you can see that really we kind of, although we are just holding on to these previous lows, big picture, I think that we have broken out of this consolidation range and we are in another leg lower. So if you need to protect yourself, maybe reduce your positions, wait and see. There's nothing nicer than being able to, when you think market has made a low, being able to buy some. If you're all invested and you ride it all the way down, then, you're just kind of, it's just relief when it turns, it's not quite as happy. Does one Bitcoin look like a bullish Gartley on the 4 hour to me? Yeah, it does. Yes, it does. Here's our ideal buy entry level between 829 and 832. So we've got a little bit further to fall, and then that's our ideal buy entry. So if we drew it with our tool, so there's a couple of rules with Gartleys. You're looking for them to terminate around the 786, which is down here. You're looking for either 1.272 or 1.618 of this rally. And the best Gartleys are where you have an equal measured move. So that's here as well, 831. So yeah, this is I would class this as an A Gartley, a category A, perfect buy entry Gartley. And if we look at this off the lows in Wanchain, we've only had one rally. So if we rally from here, and we can say our conservative target, really should be the reverse the other way, an equal measured move going the other way. But we should be looking for new highs from this Gartley pattern. But yes, it's an A1 class, A1 perfect Gartley pattern. So the first sign, when you're looking for Gartley patterns, and they're trend continuation patterns. So when you're looking for a Gartley pattern, you are looking for your first swing to finish at a 61.8. And so this is one of those classics where it looks like we have an ABC, bounce from a 618, but we make an ABC going up, and you're going, damn, now where are we going to go on the next leg lower? And the answer is we'll do an equal measured move to the 786. But yeah, 618 reversal that stalls with an ABC up, that's always what you should be looking for. You can see what I mean here by equal measure moves. This keeps doing perfect equal measure moves, and I love that because it means somebody else or the bigger market is looking at the same thing we are. So 831 by Wanchain Bitcoin.